Hi guys, recently these family group photo is going viral on social media platforms. Actually, you can make them in seconds using your mobile phone. In this video, I will quickly show you how to easily edit and refine your family photo using AI app. The effect can be created with ease inside AI Marvel's app. I will put the official access link in the description. Now we just scroll down and tap family moments. Here are lots of viral and trending family photo templates for you to choose. Take this one for example. Tap Use Template. Then import 1 to 5 of your family member's photo. Here I use 4 photos. Then tap OK to continue. It will automatically start in creating the image for you. After a few seconds, we have this cool family photo. The face consistency is very well maintained, looking awesome. Here are other examples when applying other templates. Whether you like cool style or warm style, the app can all handle it. What's more, here's a to video button. Tap it, and it will turn your image into video, just like this one. Pretty amazing to share and have fun with your family. All right, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more trending and viral AI contents. Thanks for watching. See you next time.